Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Mitch from Project Untethered, and today I'm going to show you a quick Location Rebel review. I became a Location Rebel member about 3 years ago, and it's been a huge part in helping me get to where I am today, but it's not for everyone. So in today's video, I'm going to give you a sneak peek behind the scenes inside the members area and help you decide if it's for you or not. If you do decide it's for you, make sure to click on the link in the description below, and I have a bonus for anyone who signs up using my affiliate link. Alright, so let's get started. Here is the member dashboard area. Location Rebel is basically broken up into 3 different parts. There's the entrepreneur blueprints, there's the forum, and also there's all the bonuses, which the bonuses are kind of scattered throughout. So let's start with the blueprints. So here on the right side you have your menu, and if you click on the entrepreneur blueprints, here we are. And so here are all the different blueprints. These are basically different pathways that you can take when you're starting your location independent lifestyle business. It's really nice to have all these blueprints right next to each other because you're able to compare and see what the lifestyle is like for each one, and how hard it is to get started, and tips for getting started, and all those different things. And so you're able to make the best decision on what path you want to choose instead of just making a decision based on limited information. So you can see on the right side you have all the blueprints. It starts with a mindset blueprint, which is really important because when you're starting your own business like this, mindset is everything. And it doesn't matter which pathway you choose, if you don't have the right mindset, you're going to be screwed. So we have, under that, there's the content writing blueprint, and that's one of the most popular ones. And they actually just redid the whole content writing blueprint, updated it, and now it's called the Freelance writing blueprint right here. And that's super comprehensive, has everything you need to know to get started and start earning as a freelance writer. Then there's the copywriting blueprint, and the cool thing about these blueprints is that each of them are taught by a different expert. So it's not just Sean teaching every single one. You're actually learning from someone who's making money and doing well in each field. So then there's the technical writing blueprint, the SEO freelancer blueprint, pay-per-click, sales blueprint, creating remote work agreements, the e-commerce blueprint, social media blueprint, affiliate marketing blueprint. And there's another blueprint down here with a lawyer about creating the perfect business structure, because that's another big question that a lot of people have, is what type of business should they set up. and then the product creation blueprint I think that one's by Derek Johansson, who created Copy Hour, which is another awesome course, which I did a review on that course as well, and I'll link to that one as well. So I'm not going to actually click into these blueprints. As soon as you click on any of these things, it brings down a drop-down menu where you can follow along the different steps, the different modules, but I'm not going to click into them because a lot of this course is text. There's some videos scattered throughout, but a lot of it is text, and so if I click on everything, then everyone will be able to see the whole course, and I don't want Sean to get mad at me. So these are the different blueprints. Then you can go back to the dashboard here down in the corner. And let's go into the forums, which is one of my favorite parts of the course because it's super active. This forum isn't just one of like a afterthought bonus you get in some other courses. This is filled with tons of other lifestyle entrepreneurs who are all trying to create their own business. They're all trying to help each other. It's a great community, a great place to find accountability partners, so you don't feel like you're doing this all alone. If you ever have any questions or obstacles or roadblocks you're running into or need some advice, you can just post here in the forum and it'll always be answered. You can see that all these questions here are answered. The only ones that aren't, that have 0 replies here, are the ones that Liz posted. These are just job opportunities that Liz goes around and finds them from the internet and posts them here for the members to see. Liz is pretty awesome, and she helps run the forum with Sean, and she's a really successful freelance writer herself, and so she has lots of experience with that. You can see who's answering these questions, so you can see that you're actually getting attention from Liz. Here's Sean's little picture right here. He's answering the questions too, and so they're really active in the forum, and just the forum alone, for me, probably would be worth it, because it's great to have a place to go to ask any of your questions, and you just don't feel like you're in it alone. And also the accountability factor. There's a lot of people who are looking for accountability partners, so you could set up your own arrangement where you check in once a week to make sure you're hitting all your goals and you're not getting lazy, and to talk with them about what's working, what's not working. Super powerful. So this is the forum area. Another cool thing I like about the forums is you can sign up for email notifications. You can see here at the top. And so you can set those if you want those every day or if you want those every week. I normally get one every week, and it shows the highlights of the different posts in the forum, so I can see if there's anything that interests me or anything that I can help someone else with. Otherwise, sometimes when you have these forums, you forget to go and check what's new. So these email updates are really awesome. So that's the forum. Then we'll go back to the bonuses, and it's kind of hard to really tell what's a bonus and what's part of the course. You have this bonus section, this content section here, but also I think these other parts are bonuses as well. Like, for example, the how to start your blog. That's gives you step by step how to set up your website, and there's a lot of, for the how to start your blog thing, there's a lot of information about that on the internet. You could probably find that in other places, but the nice thing about Location Rebel is everything is all in the same place, and you're just listening to one person. You don't have all these different voices telling you different things and sometimes contradicting each other, and you don't know what's right or what's wrong. And so it's kind of nice to have everything here in an organized manner. So then there's Entrepreneur Blueprints. This is another mini course called Overcoming the Fear of Uncertainty. And that's also a big roadblock that people have, because when you're leaving your career to go start your own thing by yourself, there's tons of uncertainty in that. And it's similar to the mindset blueprint, but it goes into more detail and it tells Sean's story about he was able to overcome it, and tips that you can use and lessons that he learned for people who are scared, because it's scary. It's super rewarding, but it's scary. So then another bonus course is Hacking the High Life, and this one's pretty cool, especially for people who like to travel. And it's just basically Sean sharing all these cool tricks and hacks that he's learned to leverage his lifestyle businesses, and even just regular tips to get get free stuff and like luxury stays at places. He teaches how he tricks like he used to get into clubs in Las Vegas, fancy clubs, how he landed some free tickets at a really expensive ski resort, and all different things that normally, and I haven't really seen this stuff anywhere else. Just tricks that he's learned to travel cheaply and get really cool things for cheap. It's pretty clever, some of the things he's thought of. And here, this one is new. At the very bottom on this list is the 12-week freelance writing bootcamp. And in here, I'll click on it. Hopefully it doesn't show too much information. But it goes by, starting from 0, goes by week, showing exactly what you need to do. There's assignments and homeworks that you need to do. Okay, so this is just an overview of the program. And like you can go through it live, or I think they went through it live one time, and where you could participate in the forums to share your progress and everything. But every single step of the way, week by week, what you need to be doing, who you need to be contacting, And so it really just holds your hand through the entire process, and it's kind of nice to have a structured challenge like that, so you can follow it and know exactly how much you should be doing and to keep you on track. And then by the end of the 12 weeks, you should be earning money and doing well for yourself as a freelance writer. So let's go back, and lastly, this Rebel launches here. I think this was a bonus that I got when I signed up. I'm not sure if everybody gets this. I haven't actually even looked at it yet. I think it's about launching different courses, but I'm not going to talk about it because, one, I don't know exactly what it is, and two, I'm not sure if everybody gets that. So here is the bonus content section. There's a pricing guide where it helps you decide how much you should be charging as a freelancer, because that's a big question that many people have. They don't want to underprice their services because then you're working for practically nothing, and you don't want to overprice your services because then you're scared that the client's just going to say no, and you're never going to find work. And so this is a really helpful guide for knowing what's a fair price and how much you should be charging, especially because when you're working for yourself, you need to be charging more than you would be if you're working as an employee, because you're responsible for paying your own taxes, your own equipment, your own rent, your own vacation days, sick days, everything. And so you need to be charging more, otherwise you're going to end up with a really low hourly rate. Then here you also have all the webinars and calls that they've done. Here's some, if you look on the right side, here's different webinars that they've done teaching things. All the question and answer calls they've done. So if you click on here for 2020, here's the question and answer calls Sean and Liz do, and you can sign up for these calls and just join them live and ask any questions you have, and they'll help you figure out your problems. I've never done one myself yet, but they look really cool. I wanted to do one, but I was in Asia and I didn't want to wake up at 2 in the morning to do it. But I might join the next one because now I'm back in the US. So there's the calls. Here's under that there's 12 books to get started, and those list out some of Sean's favorite books that have helped him get to where he is today. There's a book that shows you, like, his favorite book for learning how to be productive, his favorite book about having the right mindset, about persuasion, about copywriting, about all different things. And so he gives you, because really when you're just starting, there's tons of books, but some books obviously are more impactful than others, and you want to read those ones first so you know all that information right from the beginning. So these give you a good foundation for everything. Then under that is the info product creation framework, and that's for people who want to create like an online course or some type of info product to sell. And it helps you, it's a framework to help you get your ideas organized and show you exactly how to create your own product. That was created by Derek Johansson, and he's friends with Sean, and so he shared that with him. Then under that is the SEO templates, and that's for people who want to work as an SEO, who choose the SEO blueprint. I think it could help anyone really if you start your own site and you want to do SEO research for your own site, but it's a bit technical, I think. And so this is mainly for the people who want to go down that pathway of SEO. It's all Sean's templates and things, because Sean worked for a long time as an SEO freelancer, helping companies improve their rankings in Google, and so he has all these different spreadsheets that he used and made for himself that are super helpful in organizing everything and will save you a bunch of time. And so that is for SEO people. And then the last thing is the archive courses. And these are basically courses. They used to be in the blueprint section. But obviously Sean wants to keep this as updated as possible. And if he has so many blueprints, it's hard to keep them updated. And so these are blueprints that were less popular with students, and so he decided that he was going to spend more time updating the ones that were popular and less time updating the ones that aren't popular. So these are courses that are no longer being updated. There's the project manager, web developer, and advertising rockstar. And so you can still see these if those things interest you, but they're no longer being updated. So let's go back to the members area. That is about it. The main thing I want to say is that these blueprints are mainly based to help you see all your options in the same place and to get you off on the right foot, to give you a realistic idea of what that path looks like, and to be able to compare all your different options. Once you decide which blueprint you want to take, the information in Location Rebel will help you get started and give you a solid foundation. But eventually, you're going to need to continue learning somewhere else, because this isn't an advanced, you can't expect this to be an advanced course in copywriting, an advanced course in technical writing, an advanced course in SEO. This will give you a solid foundation of each one, but then you have to go and continue learning on your own. So really, Location Rebel is for people who are just getting started and want to know all the options, and they want to figure out what's best for them and how to get started and how not to waste time. Because I didn't have Location Rebel when I first started, and I first heard about selling things, creating an Amazon business. I found a podcast, and I ended up going head on, charging down that path. I didn't even know all these other paths existed. I just wanted to earn money on the internet. And I ended up, long story short, ended up losing $10,000 in about 6 months of my life, which really sucked. And so I really wish I would have had these blueprints before doing all that. It's super helpful. And so, but then on the other hand, if you already know exactly what you want to do and you're 110% sure you know what you want to do, maybe you don't need this, because this is to help you decide and to help you get started. Also, if you're already making a bunch of money online, this is more for beginners. So if you're a beginner, I highly recommend Location Rebel, especially because it helps you decide, and the forums are awesome. But if you're already pretty experienced and you already are doing well for yourself, then it's not quite worth it. Alright guys, so that's the end of this video. If you like it, make sure to give me a thumbs up. You can subscribe to the Project Untethered channel if you want to learn more about how to create a travel lifestyle. Also, make sure to, if you do decide to buy the course, make sure to go to the link in the description below, scroll all the way to the bottom, and I have a bonus for people who use my link that I'll send you over if you use my link. And that's it. So, have a nice day. Good luck. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can feel free to leave a comment or send me an email if you have any other questions. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.